let us tell you about your new power meter. It looks different. The screen shows your balance and messages. The keypad buttons operate the meter. The 8-digit meter number under the barcode is needed to top up online. Just like a mobile phone, your screen will go to sleep when you're not using it. You can wake it up by pressing B on your keypad. You will then see your balance. Read the balance from the first non-zero number. A minus sign means you owe money. Your meter will not turn off overnight or on the weekend, even if you run out of credit. If you run out of credit, you can use emergency credit. Wake up your meter. The screen will show EC offer. Press A to accept emergency credit. Press 7 to check how much you have left. If your power has turned off and you have topped up, you will need to reconnect the meter. Wake up your meter, the screen will show connect. Press A to reconnect, then B to confirm. For more information, visit powerandwater.com.au/prepaid or call 1-800-245-092.